In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up and use estimation in Jira for your team managed projects. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to streamline your estimation process, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the essentials. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your team managed project board. This is the starting point where you'll make all the necessary adjustments to get your project estimation ready. Once you're on your board, look for your project's name at the top of the page. Next to it you should see 3 dots. These dots are more than just decoration, they are the gateway to your project settings. Giving them a click will present you with a drop down menu from which you'll select Project Settings. This is where all the magic starts. Here you set up various configurations to tailor your project management experience to your team's unique needs. Now that you're within your project settings, cast your eyes to the left hand side where you'll find the menu. This menu has all the features ready for you to explore and adjust. Look for the section labelled Features and click on it. Each feature here serves a particular purpose designed to enhance your project management processes, and today our focus is on estimation. Within the Features section, scroll through until you spot the feature labelled Estimation. It's crucial to check whether it's already active. If it's not turned on, you can go ahead and enable it. This step is essential for performing accurate estimations on your tasks or stories within the project. Enabling estimation is just one click away, but it's a key foundation for effective project management. With estimation enabled, you're poised to choose how you'd like your team to approach their tasks. Here, you'll face a pivotal decision, selecting your estimation method. Jira provides 2 options, story points or time. Story points typically capture the complexity and effort required for a task, making them ideal for agile, flexible teams. On the other hand, estimating by time works well if your team prefers concrete measurements such as hours or days. It's critical to consider what suits your team better and aligns with your workflow. And there you have it, a streamlined guide to setting up estimation in Jira. By following these steps, you ensure your team has the right tools to estimate tasks efficiently and effectively, improving planning and execution. Remember, having the right estimation setup not only helps clarify what's expected of each team member, but also enhances overall project delivery. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these insights valuable for your future projects.